8 health benefits of baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a popular cooking agent available in most kitchens. It is renowned for adding a light, fluffy texture to baked goods like cookies or cakes. Here are 8 health benefits of baking soda you should know about. Baking soda eases heartburn and reflux by neutralizing stomach acid. Mix with water for relief, but use sparingly to maintain natural digestion. Baking soda's alkalinity calms mouth ulcers, reduces bacteria. Daily rinses promote healing and reduce soreness effectively. Baking soda removes surface stains and acidity, preventing plaque and gum issues when used sparingly. Baking soda relieves arthritis and gout inflammation, soothes skin in baths or pastes. Baking soda neutralizes odors as a natural deodorant. Apply plainly or blend. Check skin sensitivity before routine use. Some studies suggest baking soda may slow chronic kidney disease progression by reducing blood acidity. Always consult a doctor before use. Athletes use it to delay fatigue by buffering lactic acid during intense workouts, improving stamina. Early research suggests baking soda may enhance chemotherapy effectiveness by altering tumor acidity. Human studies are still underway.